Hey, what's up? Okay, I'm underneath the Kubota and I'm changing the fuel filter back here by the transmission, of course. But so it's probably gonna be filmed in bits and pieces so I don't burn up all my time just changing out one filter. So anyway, here's the filter. It is a 10 millimeter bolt, so you'll need a socket to get to it. There's not a lot of room to get to it, so okay, I'm going to loosen everything up. I'm going to put you on pause for a second, then we'll be back to show you how to get it out. Okay, here it is. So the band has a nut, you know, on the back of it, so it's not going to drop off. I think it'll come out to screw. So I'm going to work on getting these clips back off here so I can change out the filter. Anyway, I got this loose and moved down where I can work on it. Probably not going to be able to film a lot of it because it'll burn up too much time. I'll be able to show you better on the one that's on the side of the motor. So anyway, thanks. Hey, okay. There's a zip tie right here. You need to get your a pair of cutters, snip it, remove it, and get it out of the way. This is going to give you good access to get in there to your to this little clip that holds the fuel line on. So no, it's kind of hard to see, but there's your clip. It's a clamp. I'm sorry, I've been calling it a clip. It's a clamp. But anyway, there's your clamp. This will give you better access to get in there and get that clamp and move it back and get your hose off. So we'll be back again. Like I said, it's not an easy job, but it's not horrible, but it's you definitely got. Okay, after filling a cuss jar about twice, I finally have got these clamps off there. Was able to get to it with a pair of vice grips, small, medium-sized pair of vice grips. Moved it back. First one I just bent all the pieces and destroyed, so I got to go get a new one of them. But anyway, so we're to the point I'm gonna take off the filter and install my new filter. So this is the part number for a BX. I think they're all the same, but anyway, that's the part number. So here we go. I'm gonna have to put you back on pause. So thanks. Okay, this turned out to be a big fiasco. I'm pretty much covered, or at least my arm is, in diesel. So I got the new one on and here's the old one. So yeah, plan out your job really close, a lot better than what I did, but it can be done. It's not that hard, but it's not that easy either. It's just be prepared to have diesel on you. So anyway, at least I got it done. I'm going to put it back together, then we'll do a better detailed video on the top one. This will be like a blooper reel right here. So thanks. Okay guys, but I did get them both on, or will have anyway. So here we go. New filter. Other thing I did, I just loosened the loosen this up so I get the filter in there. Slide the hose back on it. Leave it clamped off for sure. Take a pair of pliers and just, I don't know if you can see that or not, but I'm just sliding that back up on there. Yep, got that clamped. I'm gonna clamp the other hose back on it. Hope you all can see that. So just as easy as that. Put the new clamp back on it. Got it good, got it good, got it good. Where's it at? Right here. Okay. Take the, there we go. So that's it. That's installing a, there's a number, hope you can see it. Okay, I'm going to bleed the air out of the fuel system right here. This is a 14 millimeter bolt. So here we go. Okay, I got it cracked open. I'm just gonna go over here and turn it on to where it'll start pumping some fuel through it. Okay, definitely pump some fuel through it, so as usual it's all over the damn ground. So anyway, but you did see it pump some out, so now I'm going to tighten it back up and we're done. Okay, nothing's leaking. Filters are full, so we're good. That's it. Thank you. Check my tires. I'm going to torque them to 40 pounds. So I'm using a 19 millimeter for the front wheels. And it's going to be 21 millimeter for the back wheels. So I'm probably not going to show the back. Just do a couple on the front because our video time's limited to 10 minutes. So I'm going to add this in with another clip. So that's it. Alright, I'm using a Tecton wrench here. And I got it off Amazon for $29. It actually works good. It's a good torque wrench. Hey, okay, we're back. I am going to go ahead and show me torquing the back wheel as well. I'm just not going to show both sides. But anyway, here is a 21 millimeter socket. And that's what it takes for back wheels. I'm using a Tecton torque wrench and Duralast socket with a Duralast extensions from AutoZone. I know it sounds like, I guess I am plugging AutoZone, I don't know. They've been pretty good to me. Taking, of course, O'Reilly's and AutoZone will take used oil and stuff like that, so that's where I've been recycling my oil. So both places are pretty good. Anyway, here we go. I've got it set to 40 foot-pounds, so that should be sufficient. Alright, that's it. So this completes my major service on my tractor at 97 hours, and everything's good. I'm going to torque down the other side and that's it. Throw the motor deck on it, start using it again.